Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Substack payment identity verification, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Substack payment identity verification, start by logging into your Substack account. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payments. Click on the Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. Ensure all details are accurate to prevent any issues with transactions. Next, locate the section for identity verification. Click on the button that initiates the identity verification process. You will be asked to provide personal information for verification. This may include your full name, address, and date of birth. Substack may require you to upload identification documents. Acceptable forms of ID often include a driver's license or passport. Make sure the scans or photos of your ID are clear and legible. Once you submit your documents, you will receive a confirmation message. Identity verification may take a few minutes to process, or longer during peak times. Monitor your email for notifications regarding your verification status. If additional information is needed, follow the instructions provided in the email. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation that your account is fully verified. You can now return to your payment settings to confirm that everything is in order. Your Substack account is now ready to accept payments securely. Finally, keep an eye on your payment settings for any future updates or requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.